Listen, ladies, this is the only time when I recommend you to chase, and the only time. All right? So don't be slick. By the way, have a seminar upcoming in New York City next week. So attend. All right? Description down below.
Like a bowl.
Listen, ladies, I always tell you guys to never chase after a man. Not never, but like never overly pursue a man who's not putting effort. You could chase after a guy. I mean, goddamn, you can't be so fucking cold, you know. But don't pursue too hard when he's not putting in the effort. All right. And some of you guys are hard headed, and some of you guys just don't listen to what I'm saying. Like some of you guys are not focused on your purpose. Some of you guys have nothing to do. Some of you guys just go to work and go home, and so you guys have nothing to distract yourselves when things don't go your way. I like to paint. I paint to distract myself sometimes, right? Sometimes I smoke weed. It's not the most healthiest thing to do, not the most healthiest way to cope with the problems of life, but not everyone is perfect. But the only exception, ladies, when you guys can over pursue a guy, and it's this, right? I bet all you guys are like, oh my God, finally! Oh my God, this is exactly what I was waiting for, right? And by the way, ladies, look, listen up, man. Look. Have a 20% off my course. 20%, I think it's 20% until Valentine's Day is over, all right? So you guys can purchase my course at a lower price by using the coupon code on the description down below. And it is until Valentine's Day. Once Valentine's Day is over, you can't do this no more, all right? So it's only until Valentine's Day, okay? Jesus Christ. All right? One second, all right? So this is the only time when you could do this, okay? And is this. And this happened to me, right? I remember when I had this ex of mine, fucking bitch. Sorry. Let me calm down, right? This ex of mine, who she didn't break my heart. She didn't break my heart. I broke it up first. She didn't break up with me. I broke up with her. Anyways, as I was saying, so I was like, fuck, man. You know what? Let me hit her up, right? And for the whole 2 years, I never hit her up, right? And then it got to the point where I couldn't deal with it. Like, it got to the point where I just needed to find out, like, if she liked me or not. Like the thought of, like, is she playing games? Does she still like me? What is waiting for me? Like, I just couldn't handle it no more. I just couldn't handle it because I wasn't thinking straight. So I hit her up, right? Surprise, surprise, she came over. And people, when I saw her gargling on my dick, when I saw her sucking my dick in that mirror, Lord, it was like the Lord came down and healed my heart. It was like the Lord, it was like he just mended the brokenness in my heart, people. He healed me. I literally saw him heal my heart. As she was on her, yeah, you guys get the picture. So yeah. Anyways, so the only time when I would tell you, ladies, to pursue a guy is when you just need to know. When you don't know if he likes you or not, and you cannot function properly, and you just need some closure, right? That is the only time when I would tell you to chase after a guy, and only once. That means that if you don't know if he likes you or not, and you guys are doing all contact, and you want to find out if he likes you or not, just hit him up once, right? And that's it, once. Just hit him up once and just say, hey, you want to get a drink sometimes, right? And if he does say yeah, you're not chasing him no more. You get that drink, you don't sleep with him that night, you get that drink, and then you let him do the chasing. Because if he likes you, sometimes people have too much pride and they're waiting for you to make the move, right? But the only time when I would tell you to do that is when you just cannot handle it no more, when your mental health, when you just need to know. That is the only time when I would tell you to do that, right? But after that, you're done. Because if he has any scintilla, and I mean any scintilla of maybe, or that he's busy, do not ask, okay, just hit me up when you can. No, you're done. I did that with a girl last week, right? It's not that I was crazy, not that I was going nuts about her, but I saw a girl who reminded me of her, right? And I was like, fuck, let me give it a try. She has some nice titties. Let me just give her a try. Yo, she was bad, man. She was a bad bitch, man. She was bad, man. I like to be very honest with you guys. Her ass cheeks just clapped like it was a fucking round of applause. I mean, you know, some women who when you have sex with, they may have big asses, but their cheeks don't clap. Her, it was like a symphony. It was oh my God in heaven have mercy. And it's not like she had a big ass, but it just some women's asses they just clap louder. I don't fucking understand. It's like they don't have to have a big ass, but like when they make that clapping sound, God. Anyway, sorry about that. So she said I'll hit you up next week. I think I'm free next week, and so I said okay, and that's it. She never hit me up, right? So sometimes it's a good idea to do that when you just need closure, and you only do it once, people. You don't pathetically hit them up again. That's pathetic. You wait. You do it once and that's that. You're only doing that just to find out and that's that. You see what I'm saying? That is the only time when I would tell you to do that. Now, when you don't do that, is when a person like humiliates you, was abusive, was verbally or physically abusive, you don't go back to that. You don't need closure. But if it was just the fact that they didn't like you or you turned them off because you were too needy and you weren't watching my channel, maybe you were watching Mark Rosenfeld's clown ass channel, because he's a clown. A smart business guy, don't get me wrong, I really admire how smart he is as a business guy, but the guy's a clown, let's just put it that way, man. And yes, I am petty, and yes, I don't forget things, you know, I don't, he's passive aggressive, that's just how he is, man. So he's a clown, that's what he is, man. And I hope you guys let him know that too, you know, let him know that I said that, it's a good thing. But yeah, man, that's the only time when I would tell you to chase after a guy, and you only do it once, and that's that, alright? Okay, people. Anyways, ladies, this is Alex from Wire for Attraction. You guys have a good day. Oh, by the way, I have a seminar coming in New York City in a few days next weekend, so I want you guys to attend. I have the one in Toronto. And yeah, so check out the description down below on the dates. All right? Peace out, motherfuckers. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week, 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1. The natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature, I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you can just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.